In this video, you'll see how avocado oil is made at industrial scale. Thousands of fresh avocados enter this factory every single hour. They're washed, crushed, pressed, and transformed into pure oil in just minutes. This is a high-speed food production process where precision and timing are everything, from raw fruit to bottled oil. This is the full factory process. Avocado oil is one of the most fascinating products in modern food manufacturing. What begins as a simple green fruit is transformed into a golden oil used across kitchens, health industries, and cosmetic products worldwide. Every day, thousands of avocados arrive at industrial processing facilities. These fruits are washed, inspected, and prepared for extraction. Unlike most vegetable oils, avocado oil comes directly from the fruit's flesh, not the seed. This makes it naturally richer in nutrients and flavor. The avocados are crushed into a thick paste containing oil, water, and fiber. Through carefully controlled mechanical processes, the oil is slowly separated. High-quality producers rely on cold extraction to preserve sensitive compounds that heat would destroy. The result is a smooth oil with a deep green or golden color, depending on how much it is refined. Avocado oil is especially valued for its fat profile. It is rich in monounsaturated fats, the same healthy fats found in olive oil. These fats are associated with heart health, balanced cholesterol levels, and long-term metabolic support. But avocado oil offers more than healthy fats. It naturally contains vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. It also includes lutein, a compound linked to eye health and reduced inflammation. Very few cooking oils provide these benefits naturally. One major advantage of avocado oil is its extremely high smoke point. This allows it to remain stable during frying, grilling, and roasting. Unlike many seed oils, it does not easily break down into harmful compounds at high temperatures. Because of this stability, avocado oil is increasingly used in professional kitchens and industrial food production. Beyond cooking, avocado oil plays a major role in skincare and cosmetics. Its molecular structure allows it to absorb deeply into the skin, providing hydration without clogging pores. This makes it ideal for creams, serums, and hair treatments. In nutrition science, avocado oil is known for improving nutrient absorption. Fat-soluble vitamins require fat to be absorbed efficiently, and avocado oil significantly increases this process when consumed with vegetables. Industrial production has become highly efficient. Modern factories use automated systems to control temperature, pressure, and filtration. Precision is critical, as small variations can affect taste, color, and quality. Sustainability is also important. Many facilities reuse avocado waste for animal feed, compost, or energy production. Water recycling systems reduce waste while maintaining high hygiene standards. After extraction, the oil is filtered, tested, and bottled. Each batch is carefully monitored before being shipped worldwide. Avocado oil is not cheap to produce. It often takes more than 10 avocados to produce a single bottle of premium oil. This explains its price and its reputation as a high-quality product, as people become more conscious of what they consume. As avocado oil gained global popularity, production methods evolved rapidly. Factories began investing in advanced machinery to increase efficiency while protecting quality. Temperature control became critical because even small changes could alter flavor, color, and nutritional value. One of the most important stages is filtration. After extraction, the oil still contains microscopic particles and moisture. Modern filtration systems remove these impurities without stripping away beneficial compounds. This step determines whether the oil remains vibrant and stable over time. Quality testing follows immediately. Samples from every batch are analyzed for acidity, purity, and oxidation levels. These measurements ensure the oil meets strict food safety standards before it reaches consumers. High-quality avocado oil must remain stable, fresh, and consistent across thousands of bottles. Refining plays a key role in determining how the oil will be used. Unrefined avocado oil retains a stronger color and flavor, while refined versions are lighter and more neutral. This allows the same product to serve different markets, from gourmet cooking to large-scale food manufacturing. Avocado oil has also gained attention in sports nutrition. Its healthy fat profile provides long-lasting energy and supports muscle recovery. Unlike processed oils, it does not spike inflammation when consumed regularly as part of a balanced diet. Researchers continue to study its potential benefits. Early findings suggest avocado oil may support joint health, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce markers of chronic inflammation. While research is ongoing, these properties have already made it a staple in many health-focused diets. The oil's versatility extends beyond food and health. In industrial applications, avocado oil is used in biodegradable lubricants and eco-friendly materials. Its natural stability makes it a valuable alternative to synthetic oils in specialized environments. Behind the scenes, factory automation ensures constant production. Sensors monitor pressure, flow rate, and temperature around the clock. Any deviation triggers immediate adjustments, preventing waste and maintaining quality. This level of precision allows factories to process massive volumes without compromising standards. Global demand continues to grow, especially in North America and Europe, as more consumers seek cleaner labels and transparent sourcing. Avocado oil has become a symbol of modern food innovation. Despite its success, production remains resource-intensive. Growing, transporting, and processing avocados requires careful planning. This is why many producers invest heavily in sustainable farming practices and long-term supply partnerships. In the end, avocado oil represents more than just a cooking ingredient. It reflects a shift toward mindful consumption, where people care not only about taste, but also about health, sourcing, and environmental impact. As the avocado oil industry continues to expand, innovation remains at its core. Producers are constantly refining their methods to extract more oil while preserving nutritional value. Every improvement, no matter how small, can make a significant difference at large scale. One of the biggest challenges is consistency. Avocados vary by season, origin, and ripeness. To manage this, factories rely on precise calibration and real-time monitoring. Advanced software adjusts processing conditions instantly, ensuring that each batch meets the same quality standards. Consumer trust plays a crucial role in the success of avocado oil. Transparency in sourcing, production, and labeling has become increasingly important. Many producers now share detailed information about their processes, responding to growing demand for clean and honest food systems. Avocado oil has also influenced how people think about fats. Once feared, fats are now recognized as essential nutrients when sourced and consumed responsibly. Avocado oil stands at the center of this shift, offering both functionality and health benefits without unnecessary additives. Its role in modern diets continues to evolve, from home kitchens to professional restaurants. Avocado oil is used not only for cooking, but as a finishing ingredient that enhances flavor and texture. Its neutral taste allows it to blend seamlessly into a wide variety of cuisines. Looking ahead, sustainability will shape the future of avocado oil production. Efficient water use, responsible farming, and waste reduction are becoming industry standards rather than optional practices. Technology will continue to bridge the gap between growing global demand and environmental responsibility. At its core, avocado oil is a product of balance. Balance between nature and machinery. Balance between nutrition and performance. Balance between tradition and innovation. What begins as a single piece of fruit passes through one of the most advanced food production systems in the world. Every step is designed to protect quality, maximize efficiency, and deliver a product people can trust. In a world where food choices matter more than ever, avocado oil represents a smarter approach to modern nutrition. From the orchard to the factory, and finally to the table, this golden oil tells a story of progress, a story driven by science, shaped by technology, and rooted in nature. And it all begins with one simple avocado.
production date and batch number are clear.
Yes, the expiration dates match the log.
The automatic case erector precisely folds flat blanks into boxes, sealing the bottom flaps with hot glue before they move to the conveyor.
Here we see the print and apply system in action, ensuring every case of premium avocado oil is correctly labeled before shipment.